Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ray. A lot of you have been asking anong difference ng BECC and BEC MC when enrolling a BPI credit card on the mobile app. Although na-mention ko na on this video, I'm gonna give you a more detailed answer. By the way, if you haven't watched it yet, learn how to enroll billers on the BPI mobile app here. So ano nga ba ang BECC and BEC MC? BECC or BPI Express Card Corporation is the standard biller for all BPI credit cards. BEC MC is specifically for BPI MasterCard credit cards, with yung MC meaning MasterCard. To know if your card is a MasterCard or not, pwede nyong i-check doon sa card mismo. So, bakit meron pang BEC MC kung lahat naman ng credit cards is pwedeng under BECC? These are the key differences. Applicability. Again, BECC is suitable for all BPI credit cards regardless of type. So, pasok din dito yung MasterCard. Kaya kung papansinin nyo dito sa BPI website under FAQs, BECC ang nakalagay na recommendation. Hindi na nila minention yung BEC MC. BEC MC is intended exclusively for BPI MasterCard. Reference number. Pag nagbabayad tayo ng bills, kailangan natin mag-input ng reference number. For BECC, customer number ang kailangan nating i-input. While for BEC MC, kailangan credit card number. Kaya ang recommendation ko is just use BECC and input the customer number as your reference number. This ensures that your payments are processed accurately. Paano kunin ang customer number? Number 1 is the statement of account. This could be from the physical one or the e-SOA, which natatanggap nyo via email. So, the customer number is located dito sa taas, upper right of your SOA. Another way is through the BPI app or BPI online. Just open the app, go to the credit card section, and dito nyo makikita yung customer number. Also, if you click this and then view details, you can also see it here. Number 3 is to contact BPI customer service. So, pwede nyo din i-contact sila on their hotlines. Then, request nyo lang assistance to retrieve your customer number. Get ready though to provide your verification details such as yung credit card details nyo and personal info. And lastly, pwede nyo kunin sa BPI branch. Bring your BPI credit card and a valid ID and then request your customer number. I hope this video helped and answered your questions. Learn more about the BPI app, other banks, e-wallets, finance, lifestyle, travel. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!